Right, here we are with another car owner here at Cars and Coffee. Yeah, let us know who you are and what have you got?
Yes, so my name is Brent and I have a 2007 Honda S2000 dream car. Had it now 3 years here in Sweden. It was my, shall we say, my COVID
Project.
yeah. OEM plus in terms of mods, but yeah, dream car and super fun, great to have in the summer.
I did notice on your back, right, it says Honda Club.
Yeah, so I joined the Honda Club I think 2 years ago, and it's a cool collection of guys getting together now and then. We tend to assemble in decent numbers at Jap Days, for example, Mantorp. Yeah. So yeah, nice collection of cars, a couple of NSXs, good S2000s, you know, a couple of nice Civics as well. So really nice to get the culture. And I grew up as a Honda guy, so nice to have met the Honda family here in Sweden.
You said you've had this car for roughly...
yeah, 3 years.
Yeah, 3 years. What have you done to it? What kind of upgrades have you been doing to it?
So I outgrew my insane car modding brain in my 20s. So I'm kind of going simple with the S. I've done the rotor wheels, getting the sort of panda look, black and white. Not quite white, this is platinum white pearl, so it's a kind of off-white pearlescent color that Honda brought out first on the NSX.
Right.
And then came on to S2000 and a couple others through the years. But yeah, so wheels, it's lowered a little bit. I kind of restored a lot of the OEM stuff, badges, you know, a few broken pieces here and there through the years. But it has intake, it has UK mod at the moment on the exhaust. It'll have the Tanabe medallion in a couple weeks' time to get that VTEC howl coming through, and yeah, but probably OEM plus is as far as I'm going to go on this one.
Right. So you're into keeping the car looking as stock as possible, yeah?
Yeah, maybe not stock because, you know, I like a little bit of the JDM mods and the look and feel, but I don't want to go crazy with wings and superchargers and stuff like that.
It looks really clean, man.
Yeah, cheers, thank you.
And I love that colour, and I haven't seen it in that colour, to be honest, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it is a rare colour, but there's quite a few of this colour in Sweden. I think the importer was trigger happy and clicked too many times on the platinum white pearl, but it's beautiful, you know.
Yeah, it is a beautiful car. Right, so let's have a look inside. Is there anything unusual in there?
Yeah, so inside I did the Skunk 2 shifter, and then I just kind of restored a couple of pieces. Right. But yeah, otherwise it's basically stock.
Right. I love the black and the red. I tell you, leather, that's just so gorgeous.
My dream spec S2000 had a full red interior. Yeah. But I quite like the mix of the black and red leather. It's a nice balance, I'd say. It is. Yeah.
Right, let's look underneath the bonnet here, yeah? Right. Apart from that fella.
Apart from my Asimo, yeah, I've got the badge on my shirt as well. I was part of. I worked for Honda when Asimo was launching, so I have quite a bit of Asimo memorabilia, shall we say? But yeah, so it's basically a stock F20C, a 2-liter VTEC. Yeah. It's got the K&N intake now. It will have a different one with a bit more of a cold air setup not too long from now. But yeah, engine is standard, so 240 horsepower out the factory. Torque sold separately, as Hondas go. But you know, this was the highest horsepower per liter naturally aspirated engine until Ferrari did the 458. Okay. Right. So it's a pretty special motor, revving to 9,000, and it likes to do that. So it's always fun to snap through the gears like that. I mean, it'll do 75, 80 in first. So driving in Gothenburg, you know, you can't really access that all the time unless you know where to go, but it's awesome, yeah.
But listen, everybody knows about the S2000s. That's why it's such an iconic car. Yeah. It's a fun car. Loads of power, and like I said, it's an iconic Honda. Yeah,
I mean, the thing is, the power is accessible and fun, and it's kind of predictable in its characteristics. So you know, it's a good laugh, and it's a proper engineering masterpiece. You know, this is the driver's car that everyone lusts after. So pretty happy to have one.
Right, so if we want to find out more information about your car and cars like yours, where can we find it?
Yeah, so in Sweden, Honda Klubben, quite easy to look up on the web, on Instagram and stuff like that. And then
He's been as quiet as he can.
Yeah, no, exactly. That's what the valve's closed, right? Yeah, so Honda Klubben, pretty easy to find, and it's quite widespread over Sweden, which is great. And then, yeah, I tend to hang out on the S2K forum as well a little bit.
Right, we'll try and get all that information and put it all in link or across the screen.
Yeah, cool, yeah.
Listen, thanks for showing us the car.
Yeah, no worries. Nice to see you.
Well done, and congratulations on it.
Yeah, thanks.